What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm at car quest and I had to go fix it. I didn't yet fix it. Pause before you do anything. Listen. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the thumbs up and like the video and subscribe to my channel. What are you doing if you're not subscribed to my channel? This is the Ghost family. So thanks to the people that subscribe. I see 98 of you are not subscribed. So my name is Leighton, but nonetheless, please hit the subscribe button and follow, like the button, subscribe for more. So my car has been broken, acting weird. Very weird. Look what I did to my car, guys. Crashed it, as you can see on screen. Let's go fix it. Come on. Oh shit. Man, I crashed my car again, guys. Because I'm not focusing. Guys, if you're enjoying this video, smash the like button and don't forget what you're doing. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. Most of you are not subscribed. Please guys, I ask you in God's name, just please subscribe, that I can beat all of the CPM players. Back to the video. Sorry guys. I'm buying petrol guys because my car's whole time's fuel is running out. I think there's something wrong with my coffee pump. If you enjoyed the video, let's see how to do it in the trailer. I give a little riff for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video for more. Thanks for watching. My name is Leighton. Until next time, stay awesome.